Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2019 Ridgeline, stock number 24341B. I'm going to start with a full walk around of the Ridgeline on the hoist here. We'll have a look at the tires and brakes. Front tires here, sitting at 10/32 of an inch. It's about 90% tread life. And the rear tires, sitting at 9/32. That's about 80% tread life. Coming around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. And we've just finished replacing the rear brakes here with all OEM Honda parts. And the front brakes here are at about 60% pad life left. Now I've got the Ridgeline up in the air so we can have a good look underneath. I've gone ahead and checked over the rear suspension, and everything's tight back here. No broken springs or worn shocks. And we just serviced the rear differential. Coming up towards the front, make sure there's no leaks in the exhaust, no problem with the drive shaft. And up here in the front, we have just replaced both lower control arms, and we've also checked over and made sure everything else is tight in the front end. Under the hood, we've just changed the engine oil and filter, as well as checking and topping up any other fluids needed. This Ridgeline has just passed the provincial safety inspection, as well as the 100-point Honda certified pre-owned inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this Ridgeline with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.